CKYC, an initiative of the Government of India, is a central repository of the KYC records of customers availing services from financial institutions regulated by RBI, SEBI, IRDAI and PFRDA. Financial service providers can now readily access the digitally stored KYC data from CKYC at the time of offering services to the customers. When a new customer submits the KYC documents, the institution will upload the KYC documents to CKYC. CKYC then creates a unique KYC identity number for the customer known as CKYC identifier. The CKYC identifier is then shared with the customer over mail or SMS. The institution is required to display the masked CKYC identifier of the customer in mobile banking app, internet application and printing in passbook, account statement, policies etc. The customer can use the CKYC identifier for KYC purpose with any other financial service provider at the time of account opening. Your institution can simply download the KYC information from CKYC instead of collecting all the documents all over again. To gain access, you need to first register on the central KYC portal. You need to submit the registration form online on CKYC portal and register on test environment of CKYC portal. The reporting entity shall perform testing on the testbed portal and submit the testbed checklist. All the supporting documents are to be sent to Sir Sai, Delhi office. Production login credentials shall be provided to the institution upon successful verification of documents by Sir Sai and successful completion of testing. For more details, refer to Registration and Testing Procedure document under the Download section of CKYC portal. The first step towards onboarding your customer is to search for KYC details based on the CKYC identifier or an officially valid document provided by your customer. If the customer's CKYC record is already registered with Central KYC Registry, you may proceed to download the record. In case of modification to the KYC details, initiate an update request. If your customer does not have his KYC record registered with Central KYC Registry, kindly proceed to upload customer's KYC details. Reporting entities can integrate with us via CKYC web portal, SFTP or API. SFTP access is provided to upload and download files over a secure connection. A response file is generated containing status of the records and the file is available for download on your institution's SFTP folder. For more details, refer to SFTP system specification document under the Download section of CKYC portal. Integration with CKYC APIs can make your digital onboarding journey or account opening process at the branch level faster, easier and seamless. When a customer approaches to start an account-based relationship, you can search and fetch the customer's KYC details from CKYCRR and thus facilitate real-time account opening. For more details, refer to API documents under the Download section of CKYC portal. The user base of CKYC spanned across the financial sector, thus truly making it a centralized database for KYC purposes. CKYC simplifies the account opening process and enables huge cost savings for both financial institutions and customers. To know more, log on to ckYcindia.in.